Alright, here's a quick little video about my dashboard phone holder that I made. What I did is I just used a little bit of dual lock, stuck it to the dashboard right here, and I got one on each side so I can choose if I want it over here on the left or the right side of my dashboard. And then I've just got the old phone case, it's right there. A little dual lock on this side and that side. And then I can use the case as my phone holder, which is nice because you can flip it all sorts of directions you want to and just have it right there on your dashboard. So yeah, cheap little phone holder. Stuff that I already had. I already had the case for the phone, so all I had to do is use a little dual lock. Got a link in the description. It's about 12 bucks for 4 feet of dual lock on Amazon.com. Thanks for watching.